Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a network adapter code 31 error. Device is not working properly. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. So the first method is that first of all go to your start menu, search box, and type reg edit and open a registry editor, run as administrator. So open it. After opening that, you can first of all expand the H key local machine. After that, expand the system. After doing this stat, expand the current control set. After doing this stat, expand the control. Now scroll down and find out a name is a network. Now select the network. Now you can see that at this time it's only two files. If you are a see any file name like name config, then select a file and delete config files. So I have not existing at this time because my network is properly worked. So you can delete the config files if you find it. After doing this stat, I'm sure that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your search box and type a device manager. So open a device manager. After doing this step, you can go to your network adapter and select the network adapter, right click and uninstall device. After uninstalling, restart your computer. After restarting that, you can go to your Google search engine and type your network adapter name like my. Okay guys, after doing this stat, go the after doing this stat, you can scroll down and find out your according to your Windows operating system. Find it and download the adapter. Download according to your versions. Download, and after completing the download, install in your computer. And after doing this stat, restart your computer. And I'm sure that after doing this stat, your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.